If you are looking for the best 12-inch miter saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DWS 779 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS 779 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is furnished with a powerful 15 AEMP, 3800 RPM motor for greater power and durability. The DWS 779 provide clean and accurate cuts up to 2x16 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x12 at 45 degrees with extreme precision. Doesn't matter if you're an amateur or professional, the DWS 779 is easy to use and suitable for furniture making. Completing its features, the DWS 779 has a super efficient dust collection system that captures more than 75% of dust generated, ultimately improving air quality around your workspace. Number 2. Bosch Power Tool. Number 2. Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD Sliding Glide Miter Saw. 12-inch dual bevel miter saw emphasizes the accurate performance and smooth cutting motion of Bosch exclusive axial glide system. Basically, this glide system ensures precision and compact workspaces. Not just the 14 inches horizontal and 6.5 vertical cutting capacity, the versatile GCM12SD also comes with a 6.5 crown capacity against 45-degree spring, thus making it suitable for any cuts. The cool thing about this 15-amp motor tool is that its bevel controls are all made of metal. You're also ensured ease of use due to its lever and range selector located up front. Number 3. Number 3. TACKLIFE PMS03A Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The TACKLIFE PSS03A is another well-known miter saw. This miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor with full performance at 3500 RPM. This saw has a double bevel cutting design, allowing you to easily slice 45 degrees left and right. The adjustable miter scale also supports various positive stops for different cuts including bevel and compound cuts. Unlike others, the PMS03A has a built-in laser to guide you through your cutting job. The large extended platform with vise clamping system that the miter saw comes with helps you make larger cuts. Four. Hitachi C12RSH2 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. One of the best 12-inch miter saws you can find on the market is Metabo's HPT C12RSH2S 12-inch Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Armed with a 15 AEMP motor guided and compact sliding system, it powers through workpieces with great ease. It's very accurate, thanks to a special laser marker. This machine also comes with tall sliding fences which enables you to work on larger materials. The miter angle is 0 to 57 inches to right and 0 to 45 inches to the left. And the bevel angle range is 0 to 45 degree to the left, which makes this saw highly flexible. Number Number 5. SKIL 3821-01 Quick Mount Compound Miter Saw. The SKIL SAW 3821-01 12 inches Quick Mount Compound Miter Saw with laser, as the name suggests, provides the user with a handy laser mark that helps you see where your blade will cut. A powerful 15.5 amp motor can reach speeds of 4500 RPM, and extension rails allow you to cut larger pieces of lumber. This saw is light enough to maneuver, and it features a quick mount system that allows easy and fast attachment to a stand. Weighing just 43 pounds, this saw can go anywhere you need to work.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.